Hi, I'm Kevin with OGO, and today we're going to put some Coco Coir into our solid spin. So a lot of people ask how composting toilets work. The Coco Coir or sphagnum peat moss is a great alternative. It is the medium that your solids waste would mix with, and that's kind of one of the magics of a composting toilet. So as you see, our solid spin here has a little bit of a raised portion. We're going to add Coco Coir so that it gets a little bit above that, almost to these agitator bars. I believe it's 24 ounces is what we pack our Coco Coir in. Coco Coir is often in bricks, dense bricks. So if you do buy a dense brick, you'll have to kind of add water and trowel it up in a separate container until it's loose like this. This is vacuum sealed, but you'll see if we open it, trying not to make a mess. It's a little bit looser. I'm going to go ahead and put it in. Kind of break it up with my hands. See, as you can see, it's a little finer. Medium. Oop. And then if it's super dry, this is a little wet already, so it probably would be fine as is. But if it's really, really dry, it gets kind of dusty, as you see. So you may want to add a little bit of water to keep the dust down and help mix things better. Not too much water. That is sometimes a pain point that people don't know how much water. This is 8 ounces. I definitely wouldn't put anything more than this. The solid spin shouldn't have enough moisture in it to be really damp. It should be kind of like this mixture here, maybe a little bit wetter to kind of get some good mixing and dust down. But here I'll add some of this water in. Probably not going to add all of it. Adding around, and then I'm going to go ahead and put it into my toilet and watch it kind of mix up. Alright, so here you see that the Coco Coir is in the solid spin. I'm going to hit the agitator and watch it mix up. A little bit of that water that I added will kind of start fluffing up this material. I might break up some of the clumps. It is not used. Fresh medium here. And you almost see when it gets wetter, it gets a little bit darker. And you can feel it, but I didn't add much. I probably added 3 to 4 ounces, and you can see how you can just see the little agitator bars. This is about 24 ounces of medium and about 3 or so ounces of water in the medium that we supply. Sphagnum peat moss, like I said, is a great alternative, but I wouldn't use like sawdust or cat litter or hemp or other alternatives that people use for layering type, because this has to mix well. It gets real fluffy and it absorbs moisture really, really well. Those other types would become really dense and clay-like. They would bind up in the agitator bar. So this is how you would fill your Coco Coir, and now it's ready to use.